The best dropshipping business ideas to make money this year. Getting new dropshipping business ideas is crucial for any merchant, as it is perhaps the most difficult part of starting your dropshipping journey. The product and business are what will dictate your success in the dropshipping business model. While the process of starting an online store might be simple, turning it into a profitable business is definitely as easy as many would like to think. According to Cloudways, the biggest reason for dropshipping failure is often not providing enough value to your customers. This is why it holds vital importance to pay attention to the market trends and carefully select the products that you will sell. Though a list of all the business ideas with potential could come in handy if you don't want to spend weeks researching what products to sell. 10 money-making dropshipping business ideas. When running your very own online store, you must refrain from adopting business ideas where there is barely any scope for growth or competition. Below are a few dropshipping business ideas that can help you get started on your dropshipping journey with relative ease. 1. Niche clothing. There are plenty of people that would gladly buy their favorite articles of clothing from you if you have a reliable supplier that provides good quality. Because niche clothing is so hard to find, selling it is easier as your target market is usually looking around for the clothes that they want. Targeting a niche market is beneficial as you get to capture a market early and build a loyal customer base, given that you sell high-quality products. If you are able to market the products well, then it is also possible to gain customers from other related niches to buy from you. 2. Vehicle accessories. The vehicle customization market has always been a booming market for new dropshipping businesses to get started. This is because the products for this dropshipping niche are easy to find and have a big audience for you to sell to. Though for such dropshipping products to be successful, you must be an expert when it comes to knowing vehicles. A great way to understand what products would be best for your online business when selling car accessories is by having conversations with automotive enthusiasts. 3. Retro items. Regardless of the field, retro products have their own charm for many customers around the world. If you are able to find a dropshipping supplier that sells products with a retro aesthetic, then it might make sense to market it, as it holds the potential to truly be a hit with the crowd. 4. Fan merchandise. With the ever-rising production and popularity of new entertainment content, new fandoms are born that have some truly devoted followers. These fans are always looking to rock the latest merchandise from their favorite show. Fan merchandise is also easier to sell online as existing customers share the product with other fans with similar interests. Though you must make sure that the supplier has all the official licenses from the production houses required to sell the product. 5. Kitchen gadgets. One look at social media trends will show you the potential that unique kitchen gadgets hold for a new e-commerce business. Selling handy tools to use in the kitchen can truly prove to be a profitable business model when you see the amount of demand behind it. The only factor that limits your ability to make a profit in this niche is your selection of gadgets to sell to your customers. Because this niche is so saturated with useless gadgets, you must ensure that whatever you are selling serves a purpose. 6. Footwear. Footwear has always been at the forefront of ideas for those looking to start a dropshipping business, and for good reason. Footwear is a very diverse field of products to offer coming in at a relatively low cost with a big customer base. However, with this popularity, you get a high level of competition that does not apply to other niches. This is why, in order to make your dropshipping business more successful, you must build your own brand before the competition. 7. Skincare products. Selling skincare products can be very lucrative if you are able to market it to the audience in the right manner. This is because, while they are relatively easy to manufacture, they do hold a lot of potential for a high profit margin. This means greater profits for both you and the supplier. But again, this dropshipping idea comes with a problem. The problem that businesses run into while selling skincare products is a lack of trust. Customers in the personal care market are very picky when choosing their products. 8. Fitness equipment. The fitness industry is one that has always seen an upward trend as more and more people become conscious about their health and well-being. While you can only sell a limited amount of fitness equipment due to the limited customer base, it does have high profit margins. If you want to sell fitness equipment in your own dropshipping business, Then you must know if the equipment is safe to use and not cause any accidents. Poorly made equipment can cause serious injury or damage, which is not good for any online business. 9. Childcare products. Selling childcare products is the best option for parents that know about children well. Marketing these products on social media is also much easier when compared to other dropshipping ideas because of the greater accessibility to your customer base. Finding suppliers and products for this niche can be difficult if you do not know where to look from the start. Product quality is of crucial importance here, as poorly made products are usually quick to fade away from the market in this niche. 10. Gardening supplies. Despite its popularity, selling products that are related to gardening is quite rare to see. This is why a new business owner might want to dive in to fulfill market demand. It is a niche that has seen steady growth and is quite easy to enter. The products do not cost much and are always in demand all over the planet. Because the field is so unexplored, you might also be able to get great online sales with some unique products. Finding such creative new dropshipping ideas can be invaluable to any new online store. Where to get new dropshipping business ideas? 1. Find alternatives to expensive products. The entire reason behind the existence of an e-commerce store is to find stuff for cheap. This is why it might be in your best interest to sell alternate products that are similar to expensive products to gain a specialized and loyal customer base. 2. Scour social media for new trends. Rather than using a tool such as Google Trends to measure demand for a particular product, it is easier to replicate the results on a social media platform. You can easily get a new dropshipping business idea on social media, as most users are open to giving you new suggestions. 3. Spot local market gaps. Nobody knows your local market better than you do, which is why if there is a demand for a certain product in your area, you can sell it quite easily. Doing this will allow you to not only target a market that is well known to you, but it will also make selling the products easier. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.